Hey everybody, today we're going to do a review on this VEVOR Auger, aka fence post digger. So come on with me and let's jump into this review. First things first, let's get it unpacked. Now that we've got it unboxed, let's take a closer look. Of course, it comes with instruction manuals. You can see here it has a tool kit with all the tools necessary to assemble this unit and maintain it. You've got your spark plug, etc. It comes with a mixing bottle. You've got 3 8-inch extensions. Of course, you've got the motor. And the motor requires very little assembly, really just putting the handle mechanism together. Then you're going to have 2 augers. They're 32 inches long. The smaller one is 6 inches round. The larger one is 10 inches round. And then of course you've got your extensions right there, 3 of those to give you the depth that you'll need for drilling your holes. Let's go ahead and get this assembled. Step number 1 is to put the handle on. You can see the bolts there that I took out of these holes. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to take your handle here and you're going to stick that right in there. Let me do it and I'll show you what that looks like. We've got the one side on and we're going to do the other. See how it loops underneath, comes around. Now it's going to go up in between those two. So we're going to go ahead and put these remaining bolts in. You can see that the nuts have a nylon center, so that's going to self-grab on there. There are no washers, just the bolts. Now that we got the handle installed, we're going to go ahead and use these 2 zip ties to just secure the cable here and over there. And just like that, we've got our zip ties in place and we're moving on. Our next step is I went ahead and installed one of the rods. And to do that, you can see these have holes in them. And it just got a pin. So you can see right there, I just dropped the pin in there. Go from there. So now the next step would be to put the auger on. Here's our 10-inch auger, and that's just gonna, this end is gonna slip right over that, and we're gonna pin them together. We've got it fully assembled. It was very easy to do. Again, you're just dropping those pins and cotter pins in there and building out your auger. The unit does come with a spark plug in it, so it really is all set for gas and to be fired. Again, the tool kit comes with all the wrenches that you need to assemble it. It does have a spare or an extra spark plug and an extra throttle. Here's the throttle mechanism right there. It's got a spare just in case. And it does have a spark plug wrench, etc. I've gone ahead and mixed up some fuel. It takes a 40-to-1 ratio. Here's your primer. You got this right here. Once you add your gas, you're just going to go ahead and pump that until that fills up with gas. So on top you've got your controls for start, for run, for choke. Here's your recoil. And again, here's your on-off button and your throttle mechanism. Let's go ahead and see how many starts it takes to pull this thing right out of the box. Not bad for the first go. Let's take it out and dig some holes. Alright, here we go.